Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to do a headband with handmade flowers. I've taken 6 handmade flowers and 6 felt circles. The diameter of the circle depends upon the length and the width of your flower. And then a pair of scissors, a pen, hot glue gun and a headband. I've taken a black headband which is unbreakable. You can choose the one which you like, metal or a plastic. Now don't forget to put a plate under your glue gun so that the glue doesn't drip and dirty your table. Now these are the handmade flowers which I have made using a satin ribbon of 1/2 inch width. I'll teach you how to make such beautiful flowers of different colors in the upcoming videos. Now to start with, headband, plastic headband and a felt circle. Place the felt circle at the center of the headband by folding it into half. We need to make a marking on the felt circle using a pen. Mark it right at the end of the headband on the felt circle. So we should know where exactly and how much width we need to cut so that the felt circle gets inserted smoothly into the headband. Now make sure you give the slit in the correct length. Too big or too small will not be able to insert the plastic headband properly. Now I've made a small slit on either sides. Let me check whether it goes freely into the headband. Insert the felt circle just as I've inserted it in the video. Adjust the felt circle and check whether it moves freely over your headband. Now let's check with another felt circle. This time I'll make a bigger cut to show you the difference, what happens when we make a bigger cut, and another circle when we make a smaller cut. So again I've placed my felt circle on the headband and I'm just doing a marking on the ends of the headband. Now take a scissor and then give a small cut and a little bigger cut than the previous one. Now we'll see the difference. So one side I have a bigger cut, another side I have a small one. When we start inserting the headband into this, you can observe one side it becomes very loose. There are chances that it may get torn out. So that is not what we need at this point. So remove that, and now I'll show you how you should not make a smaller cut. Take another felt circle and give a small slit, so on both the sides. Now when I start inserting the headband, it becomes very tight. As the hole is very small, it becomes very hard to slide it over your headband. So here in the starting, the headband will have a smooth end, so it will move freely, but once you come to this end, very difficult to slide the felt sheet on that. So I have removed the felt sheet and I'll now make a little bigger cut so that it slides freely on the headband. Be very careful. You just need to practice once or twice to get the exact size, how much you need to make a slit, the length. Now it slides freely on the headband. So this is how we need to make a slit at the center of the felt sheet on either sides. Why we are doing this is, whenever you want, you can change your headband. You can add different color flowers. If you're wearing a violet color dress, violet flowers, red color dress, red color flowers. So a single headband, and you can interchange flowers according to your dress. Now I'm arranging 3 felt sheets. You can also just attach 3 flowers. Even that looks beautiful when you put that. Now I have inserted all the felt sheets on my headband because I want the flowers to cover the entire headband. Now it's time to glue the flowers. Apply the glue around the felt sheet without touching the plastic headband. Why? Because once you touch the plastic headband, you won't be able to slide the felt sheet or the flower across the headband. It gets stuck permanently. So if you want it to be permanent in one position, you can apply the glue on the plastic area. So now I have stuck my first flower. Make sure you don't burn your hands whenever you're using hot glue. Press the felt sheet around the flower so that it doesn't come out. The finishing of the flower should be very neat, so that gives you a professional look to your headband. Remove away all the extra glue. Check whether it is firm, whether it is sliding or not if you want it to. I've removed all the other felt sheets to just check how it has come out. So here is my headband with a single flower. Now I'll insert all the felt circles one by one. Adjust the felt sheets and their positions. If you want just 2 flowers, just finish it off with 2 felt sheets. But I want the flowers all over my headband, so I'll be sticking all of the 6 flowers on my headband. In case you don't want the flower to slide on your headband, you can just apply little glue on the headband just as shown and then stick it. This way it will stand firmly without any movement. This gives a neat finish. That's the reason I have suggested you to put the glue on the plastic headband. A very little amount, not too much. Or you can also apply the glue directly as I have applied on the last flower on the headband itself while applying the glue. Now I'm done with my flower. Look how beautiful it looks. So this is the finished product of the headband. Please subscribe to our channel for further DIYs and tutorials. Thank you.